Welcome to the CC Games. Wait. We cannot move forward without looking back. Previously on the CC Games. Team Scrunchies went up against Team Blue Jay. They competed in 4 epic mini-games that even injured one of the contestants. Now, let's go to the CC Games finale. Alright, let's review the rules for the final relay. The contestants will throw balls into a basket. They next have to complete a puzzle without knowing the finished results. Then untie themselves from their knots. Hop with banana. Run while throwing bananas. 1 hop banana jump. And top it off with ultimate leapfrog. Now, let's get started. To see who goes first in these games, the contestants will compete in a staring contest.
3, 2, 1, go. I think it's like we'll go second. That's good. Let's get started. Yay. This is the finale, and we're not here to play any games.
We are not going to lose. We're going to destroy this. We're going to be tied together and take those bananas down.
Yeah, we are.
Did you press the button?
Oh, there. Yeah. This is them walking. Oh my gosh. Alright, so Andres and Jeanette are doing the first race on go, okay? 1, 2, 3, go!
Oh no! We need to go around.
Oh no.
Let's go over this.
Oh gosh.
Oh, got one.
Grab that one. Oh!
All right. Yes. Okay.
This way. Oh my gosh. Closer.
Oh.
Ah! Wait, how do you pause or just stop the time?
Yeah. Long strip. This one.
Malfunction.
Come on. All right, there.
Should I stop recording?
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
Time start. No! You got corners. Up. We're done.
No. Take banana. Oh wait, untie. Okay. Go this way.
You cheater.
He said to return.
Awesome.
Time.
Cool. All right, good job.
I'm a little nervous for this one.
And her fingers hurt.
Oh,
So,
true.
Disadvantage. Let's go.
Yay! I'm excited for this one.
Okay, tell me when you're ready.
Okay.
Ready, set, go!
Ah, darn. Oh, no.
Oh, wow.
You guys don't have any wind in your. Oh, you got one!
Ah,
Oh, so close!
nice. Jessica.
Oh, so close! Don't fall, please.
Are you finished?
Yeah.
They did it!
You remember. I can't remember. Oh no. It's okay. Ah! Okay.
Wait, you put it up and you're like a hop?
What did I miss you? Look it up! Bunny hop, bunny hop!
You're so fast. Oh my gosh, it's so hard. Stop it. Oh, you're so high. Andres. Ay. So fine.
Time!
I was tired watching. I think we did really well.
Good.
We rallied all of our times.
The winner of game 1 was. Oh! Team Blue Jays!
The winner of game 2, Team Blue Jays! The winner of game 3, Team Scrunchy!
Game 4 was won by Blue Jays.
So even though we won the last relay race, Team Blue Jays still won. It's fair
What?
because we technically did like 6 games in the
Nah.
last relay.
With 6 minutes faster.
Ready?
than
Go!
that.
Good. Blue Jays for the win, as always. Good. No question.
Good job, good job.
Yeah, nice.
I'm proud of ourselves.
I
don't
would
know.
say it was unexpected, but it's not.
I don't know how we did it, but we did.
What do you guys win?
What did we win? The pride to know that we won the game and injured a friend.
Well, it came with the prize, but
That wasn't worth it.
no, come here. I'm still mad. We should have won.
Then they could have gotten another trophy.
Come on.
Thank you for watching. No animals are harmed in the making of this video. Humans, on the other hand,